what are GenAI agents? So GenAI agents use language models to work independently, autonomously by themselves. They just work like humans. They learn from their mistakes and they collaborate with other agents and people, very much like humans. And now when I break the capabilities down, you will see how close it mimics the human world. First, it observes. It is able to process lots of information, multimodal information, videos, data files, as well as documents. It observes and then it responds. Responds based on what it observes and based on the instructions it has been given and the intent it has identified. Earlier chatbots were just reflex systems. They observe something, they say something because they have been trained. But their advanced chat systems can also act. They not only give response, but they say, hey, this is what you should do, but let me also do it for you. So they also perform actions by accessing the same set of tools that people have access to, like emails, like searching web, etc. Now with LLMs and agents have memory. So they remember short-term and long-term. They have short-term and long-term memory. So which means they start developing an understanding of context. For example, in sales, if we are sending out prospecting email, the earlier version of GenAI agents would only say, okay, take a list of individuals that we are targeting and replace the names in a canned email so that they can be sent to them, right? So it's only replacing certain attributes within an email and sending out. But now that I remember who they are, what kind of interaction have we done in the past? Are they customers or not? There's no point of saying, hey, let me introduce, Emplay to you, because we've already interacted. So with the memory, it develops context, and with the context, it is able to personalize the email. But how do you personalize the email? One could be, okay, I'll just use different templates. If I'm talking to the CFO versus a CRO, I'll just have different templates. But GenAI agents can also plan. So it can go ahead and do complex step-by-step process and say, okay, I want to write a personalized email. Let me first research the account, then research the lead. Let me research some competition, then research some case studies of similar companies, and then write an email that is hyper-personalized, not only to the CFO, but this particular individual who's the VP of Finance in Walmart. So it can plan and write these hyper-personalized messages by planning the steps. Then it can also make decisions. They can reflect on their actions, make decisions as to how to maximize the value. Here, they are so advanced that you're not just saying write emails, you're saying, hey, get me leads. So it'll say, okay, these kinds of emails are not working. Let me try this out. Oh, this started working. Let me do more of this, right? So now it is taking autonomous decisions on what works and what doesn't work, and they don't have to be told specifically, this is how you do this work. And just like humans, they collaborate and they learn as they go along. And in the center of all of this is the LLM inference engine, which is able to use its pre-built models that it has already understood and learned from the world to power this. Okay, so as you can see, very much like humans, the faculties are human. Observe, respond, act, they remember, they plan, and they make decisions. And more importantly, they collaborate with agents. So there are a lot of agent builder tools out there. They just build these single agents, okay, write emails, send RFPs, etc. But they do not collaborate with each other to give information to each other to make the experience richer. That is why it's very important to look for collaborative agent builder tools that can help make this in the entire ecosystem more intelligent.